Here at West Shore Yacht Club, Tampa Bay, Florida. It's actually in Tampa. I'm contracted to work on a 2-drawer refrigerator. It's not getting cold. I've already done a preliminary check, but I thought I'd walk you through the vessel because it's kind of a special boat. But I took the kick plate off. There's no heat to the condensing coil. I touched the compressor. It's running. You can actually hear what Freon it has in it, refrigerant it has in it, because it's metering. But there's no frost pattern on the evaporator coil. So I'm assuming it lost its charge. But it's a bear to pull out. So really nice floors. So I got this to cover the floors so I don't scratch them. I've walked you down this dock before, but we haven't gone on this vessel. We went on the one right next to it. But the boat I'm going to go on is Crazy Lucky, is the stern name. And this is her. I think it's a Norwegian. Just walking the port side of the boat down to the bow. Turning around, looking aft. Pretty cool. So let's walk through the cabin. But on these static evaporators, and that's basically what this is it's a white plate, no fan motors. You know, cold falls, heat rises. Don't care if it's air conditioning or refrigeration. Its whole purpose is to absorb heat and dissipate heat. So and that's the way up to the fly bridge. I guess I'll walk up there so y'all can see it. Ice make note, more cold refrigerator. Wrap around. Flybridge helm. Captain's seat and first mate. Looking out the bow. Has a sun pad there for people to lay out. Looking aft. Those are the stairs we just came up. And if y'all don't know this, when you go down boat stairs, you go down backwards. So, let my camera focus. This is the salon. Stepping into the salon. Beautiful woodwork. And I've worked on his chillers. He's got chillers for air conditioners on board. I'm not going to open up the motor room and show you those. Now we just walk up 2 steps. And there's my 2-drawer refrigerator. I'll just open it up. And you can see back there the white evaporator, which is just a static evaporator, aluminum plate. It's got a couple of pinch spots, and that's its flash point. But made by Uline. So I figured out how to get it out, but it's time consuming and I'm not gonna film that, so I'll show you. So here's the galley. We've got a dishwasher. And this would be more like the map center and general storage. Here's the inside helm. Pretty nice, very pretty. Guest seating at the helm. Looking aft. You can see why I brought that towel. I don't want to scratch these floors. It's the last thing I want to do. My motto is you won't even know I've been on board. So let's move forward down these series of steps. Turn right here. Here's my main distribution panel. And this would where I would control my AC and DC power outlets. He's got multiple voltage on board. Pretty cool. Stab buttons. Okay, we're turning around. We're about midship right now, and we'll turn, and this is forward, looking into the forward V-berth. He's got a stateroom in here. You can't see it. The light ain't coming on. I'm not going to go find the breaker. But it's just a single bed. Or no, that's actually bunk beds. And then you've got the guest headroom. Okay. Oh, here we go. Yeah, none of his switches are on. But, you know, shower here. And then we move into the forward V-berth. This is the bow of the boat, the nose of the boat. This would be considered a yacht, anything over 40 feet. Vanity station for the women. Yeah, hello. Hello. It's kind of a queen size bed. You can see marine air thermostats. Like I said, it is a chiller. And they utilize cold water to their evaporator coils. And then we're midship again. And here's a skylight, which actually looks through the cabin, through the windows. And this would be the, let's turn on some lights. We don't want salon, VIP headlights, forward cabin, guest cabin, master cabin, guest head, owner head. You gotta remember to turn these off too. Flybridge lights. And the lights will be DC. So that's the DC panel there. Alright, well, we should have lights. Okay. There we go. So, this would be a guest head. No shower. Let me find the light switch, and here we go. And this would be considered the captain's head. Very pretty. And there I am. Mirrors on the ceiling. And this is the master stateroom, or aft stateroom, which would be considered the captain's quarters. And that's definitely a queen size bed or bigger. Most of these mattresses are custom made for the vessel itself. So that's the tour of the boat, yacht, looking forward. And since y'all didn't get to see this, I should have lights. Yeah, so here's the two bunk beds. Step back so you can see it a little better. And this would be the guest head. Pretty boat. Too bad it sits here a lot and just pulls on lines. Alright, so I've got to get that First turn off the breakers that I turned on. I gotta get that refrigerator out. So I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this vessel. I don't know what length she is. If I have to guess, I'd say 65. So thanks for watching. This is Bosserman Marine Service. We handle just about any integrated system on board except for your engines and radar. Give us a call. A lot of times I can walk you through it, or at least get you in the right general area to be looking. So, you know, keep it between the markers, and I'll see you on the next video. Hey, thanks for watching.